Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of Tesla, and if you look my previous videos, I have already said the same thing, that there are far higher levels which are yet to come for this stock, and people may soon realize the actual potential of this company because some things nobody believes until you have proven so. Okay, so the company is now proving, not only with the idea but also with the fundamental or data, which is the base for the stock to go up or down. Okay, so now, and it's very much there in the chart. I'm not talking about the financial data, but what I'm saying here, if you look at this chart, it's very much there that once this consolidation be over, there will be a very sharp price on the upside. So that is happening. So there is a very sharp price rise on the upside. So if you look at this chart since 2010, so the stock has given 2500% of return till 2017, and so there is a 7-year return. But one thing that you need to look and analyze here is the stock has been in consolidation since 2013 till 2019. So there is a 6 years of consolidation. So once this consolidation is over and the stock breaks out, so we can expect the same kind of rally on the upside. So what I mean to say here, what we have seen is a 2500% uprise. So you can see the same thing or the same amount of length the stock is going to follow, and that will be 2530 odd percent, somewhere in between. Okay, so it will be somewhere near this one, 4700 odd dollars. Okay, so the next big target will be at around 4500 to 4700 odd dollars. So it is nothing there is nothing like I'm saying some superficial thing. I'm just calculating the previous trend, and after a consolidation I am applying the same trend or similar length on the upside. So there is a greater level which is yet to come. So what you guys are watching is a monthly chart. Let me just move to a daily or weekly chart so that you can get the trend, which will give you a much better idea, and so that we can find a trend line and a support line. Okay, because for monthly chart it's very hard to do because the data is very less and it looks like that hardly a couple of bars on the upside or the downside. So here this is the weekly chart, and if I just try to make a support line here, what we can see here right now, yes, so this is your support line. Okay, this is what you can make here, and it is like this. So understand this, if you want you can make an trend line like this. It is not a straight line, but it looks like an arc. Okay, so you can make a trend line like this, and as far as the stock stay on the left hand side of this trend line, you can say that the trend is intact and the stock will continue to go higher. If you are unable to understand, let me just tell you that. So this is the line of demarcation. The stock should not go beyond or on the right hand side of the line. Okay, So if this happens, then it means that the stock may go for a consolidation or a correction. As long as the stock remains on the left hand side of the line, you can consider it as a trend, and the trend which is intact and which is going on the upper side of its range or towards the level of 4,500 to 700 odd dollars. So it will take some time, but it will surely and definitely go with the trend we have and with the breakout we have after 6 years of consolidation. And why I'm calling it as a trend line, because we have enough support levels to prove that, like 1, yeah, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5. So this is suffice to say and call it as a trend line, because we have 4 or 5 major support which through which we can create this line. And on the upside, so this is, I'm not saying that this is the final destination, but we have to go with a constrained amount of pace, so that we should know that the kind of risk we are carrying with ourselves. If I just squeeze this data or squeeze the chart, you can see the kind of slope or the kind of uh, exponential rise the stock has in the past couple of months. So since June 2019, so the kind of trend line we have uh, is simply gratifying, but you should know the risk which you are carrying with yourself. So just stay with the trend and just make a calculated decision. Okay, once the share made that target or hit that target, then we will go to another reason. We will again revise or recheck the trend, and we will look for the upcoming target, whether on the upside or on the downside. So till then, we can stay with the trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of contents. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.